Hey guys, and welcome to another product review video with Matt Waters. Today we have this Pinch Provisions Mini Emergency Kit for brides. This is the 21 Wedding Day Essentials Kit packed into this tiny little pouch right here. Now this was actually a gift to my wife, and she just didn't wind up using it on our wedding day, and she said, hey, why don't you use it on your channel? So that's what we're doing right now. So here's a little view of what all is inside of the kit. As you can see, it says that it has an adhesive bandage, one safety pin, some hairspray, deodorant towelette, stain remover, clear elastics, a tampon, a emery board, bobby pins, earring backs. It's got extra wedding bands. That's pretty wild. I can't wait to see what those are. We got breath freshener, mending kit, dental floss, antacids. We've got pain reliever. It says clear nail polish and just all kinds of different stuff. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what it really looks like inside of the Pinch Provisions Mini Emergency Kit. Alright, let's go ahead and get it open. So it comes in a cool little bag, as you can see. Pretty fashionable bag. Alright, so let's open it up and see if all these little items fit into this one little pouch. Oh wow, so here we go. This right here will be your facial tissue. This right here is a polish remover. Quickly removes nail polish quickly and easily. One pad. So this looks like it'd be, this is the breath drops. We've got, this is the antacid. Here is a blotting tissue. Keep your face shine free. Double-sided tape, 5 strips. Alright, so that's pretty wild. They packed all this in this little bag. Pretty genius little idea. Alright, so we've got, I'm assuming this is a tampon. This is the tampon. This right here is the hairspray. As you can see, it kind of stuck to the tampon right there and just stuck the package into it right there, so not a big deal. Alright, so here we go. I can see here's the bobby pins. We've got the pain reliever, which is some Advil. Just make sure those are still in date. I'm pretty sure they are. Alright, what else we got in here, guys? We've got a stain remover, instant solution for mishaps on the go. Alright, we also have a deodorant towelette. What is in this bottle right here? Here is some nail polish, clear nail polish. And this looks like a nail file. File your nails down with, a little small one. Also got a sewing kit with some buttons and some safety pins and a sewing needle and different color strings. Or threads, as I might say. Alright, what is this? This is a warning for the tampon, and this is a Band-Aid. And inside is a mint waxed floss. And here are the 2 backup emergency wedding bands. Wow, so check a look at those. What do they say on the inside? They say, I'm surprised it doesn't say, yeah, it says China. That's what I was thinking it said. It looked like it said China, but yeah, it says China. Alright, so yeah, some really cheap but backup bands in case, you know, things happen. Alright, guys, so that looks like that is everything that comes in the little pack right there. So like I said, this is the mini emergency kit for brides 21 wedding day essentials. So everything that you see there was packed inside of that little bag. So, I mean, this is great for your wedding day because you never know, accidents can happen, God forbid. But if you do have something, maybe one of these items right there can help you out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe for more videos. And I'm going to give this product a 5 out of 5 because, I mean, it's exactly what it is. This is an emergency kit. It's not going to have a whole stack of towels and a jumbo thing of mouthwash. I mean, this is all you need for that special moment and day right there in one little pouch. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and enjoy your week. Peace.